Hi, welcome to Beautiful Within. So today we are going to discuss face packs. It's a highly requested video. Just before I get started, just some quick tips about how to apply face pack, how much to apply, and all of it. First of all, whenever you're applying face pack, make sure that you do not have any makeup on and you have already washed your face with a face wash. Can be of the same brand as the face pack, cannot be, but just make sure that you've washed your face properly, you've cleansed your face. Secondly, it's optional to apply a scrub before using a face mask, but it's always better that you wash, scrub, and then put a pack. That's desirable, I would say. Secondly, do not apply the face pack for more than 5 to 8 minutes unless stated otherwise on the face pack, because that is going to eventually dry up your skin and also it might increase the appearance of fine lines, which is something we do not want. Thirdly, you have to choose a face pack which suits your skin. So mostly to oily skin ladies, a face pack with neem or sandalwood or let's say tea tree will help them reduce their blemishes and their oil on their skin. While ladies with dry skin, something with rose, with multani mitti, and also sandalwood will help you reduce the dryness of your face. So these were my 2 cents on face pack. Let's get started with my favorite face packs. The first one that I use is the 15-minute face pack by Banjaras. As they are stating, it should be put for 15 minutes. This is the one that has multani mitti and saffron in it. This is for all skin types, but it is actually very desirable for the dry skin girls to use it, because multani mitti is going to really help reduce the dryness of your skin, whereas saffron again is going to brighten up the skin tone. So this I have been using for the past 1 year. It has been really good for me. Mostly I use alternatively I use multani mitti and neem. So it is a regular, let's say per week you can use it once, once per week kind of a face pack. So this is my first favorite. The second favorites that I have are the Himalaya Herbals face pack. This is the neem face pack, and this is the mud pack or the multani mitti pack, again very similar to the Banjaras one only. So I'll be listing down all the prices and everything down. So this one has neem and turmeric in it. Really good for blemish prone skin or acne prone skin, and for oily skin girls like us. This really cleanses my skin very well, and I can see visible clearing of my skin after I use it. So I'm quite regular in using this one. The mud pack mostly I use once a month. I do not use the mud pack more than that, the multani mitti pack. But if you have dry skin, a mud pack per week is very beneficial. For I mostly use a neem kind of a pack on like a per week basis. Multani mitti packs are mostly intermittently I use. The third or the fourth one. Third one that I have is the White Jasmine Facial Mask by Spa Ceylon. This is a mask which you have to put only for 5 minutes, and this is something that they say that it gives you a very natural glow to your skin. And this is one face pack rather, which does not take too much time to bring the results. So after I apply and after 5 minutes if I wash it, within half an hour I can see visible effects in my facial glow. Just a second, excuse me. So as I was saying, Spa Ceylon one is going to give you a glow within 30 minutes of you applying it, an instant glow. So whenever I'm going to, parties or events or some kind of a festival, this becomes part of my skincare routine before I apply makeup. So this is something which I use in special events only. The fourth one that I have is by Botre. It is the Purifying Deep Cleansing and Clearing Mask. I have used one neem face mask also by Botre, and it was really good. And this one also is a very good every week kind of a face pack. It does not give very instant results or something, but it cleanses the skin first of all. Secondly, my skin felt really soft after using this Botre face mask, both the neem one and this one. This has mostly cinnamon, neem. This also has a little bit of neem, and peach and spinach extract. So this is really good for us oily skin women. But it does not mention anything like that. It says that all skin types can use it. So this is also one, like the face packs by Botre are also worth a try. The nth one, I don't remember the number now, is the French Red Clay by Natural Bath and Body. Now I always keep getting samples of the French Red Clay. I used it the first time and I really liked it, and I wanted to purchase the full size pack of this, but I always keep getting face packs, so till date it has never happened that I run out of stock of this French Red Clay. It's really good, especially for us ladies with oily skin. This works really wonders, but it does not mention anything again like all skin types can use it, and I'm very sure because it has some essential oils like rose oil, coconut oil. I'm really sure that even a dry skin girl, if using it, would really help. So this one is going to let's say if you have a lot of blemishes and you want to clear that marks away, this one actually helps in that. So French Red Clay, because of its properties, helps to clear up the skin tone, whatever skin tone you're having. If you have any kind of irregularities, skin irregularities, like sometimes we have very small pimples or marks kind of things, so it helps to fine tune those irregularities, the fine lines and everything. French Red Clay was majorly used for that. This one, I would say I like it a lot, but I would say that I cannot use it as a weekly mask because it's a tad bit too heavy for my skin. Maybe for a dry skin person it will not be as heavy, but for an oily skin person like me it gets too heavy. So mostly once a month when I'm taking break from the neem masks or the tea tree masks, I use this one. I guess the last one, we come to the last one. This is the sandal face pack. This is this I got from a local vendor only. So this is mostly sandalwood along with sandalwood oil and a little bit of turmeric. This is a local made face pack. This I can really tell you, first of all, it smells divine because of the sandalwood that is there, and similar to French Red Clay, sandalwood is also said to remove the skin irregularities. So this also works very good for that. Again, it does not give instant results as the Spa Salon one, but it is a really good face pack, let's say, because it's completely natural. It does not have any preservatives, which is why I have to use it also very soon. But this again would make your skin irregularities a lot better. So these were, I guess, my 6 to 7 face packs that I mostly use. My routine mostly is 3 times a month I use something from the neem range or that kind of tea tree, something of that, which is specifically for oily skin. The fourth week I use something like a Multani Mitti pack or a French Red Clay or a sandalwood, just to remove the skin irregularities, whatever they are there, and to reduce the fine lines to an extent. So these were my face packs that I use. Do tell me what all you use as face packs. I have also made an anti-tan face pack routine, which is just using your kitchen ingredients and making face packs. So I'll upload that soon, or maybe if you see this video by then it will already be uploaded. Do tell me how you liked the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It's free, but it means a lot to me, as everyone says. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Bye.